Hi, so Ritvik gave this camera that I'm still not sure on how to use, but I hope they are able to use it. There are so many people walking, it is so awkward. Today is day one and we are trying to be that good. I don't like exercising. I don't think anybody likes exercising. I'm going to walk for 5,000 steps and then do some stupid exercises and let's see what happens. Bye. Hello, welcome back to my stupid ass vlog. We are now joined by तो सोना है फिर पैर और सर उठाना है. We have successfully finished the first day, first half of our exercise. Hello, my. I cannot study when I like post exercise without nahawing. So I'm going to nahaw a bit and then go back to classes. Hello. Oh my god, who is she? Anyway, so we have to go back to studying because I am just talking about how much I have to study, but I'm not studying at all. I am watching vlogs. That is what I'm doing. So I am going to study, but before that, look at my very healthy plants that Anindya gave. Like, I was so sad because they were not growing, but they're finally like growing. Also, this is very cute. This is something my Dida kept, but yeah. Also, we got very cute little trays for them. Yo, so joining the fourth class of today with no progress in assignment or my text te- test test notes whatsoever. Just to give you a quick update, I still haven't studied because apparently I'm watching, and if I fail tomorrow I'm going to blame Mahima, Gauri, yeah, these two people. For you know that I'll be fine. Done with my I made my lecture notes for tomorrow's test. Also, things that happened continue to happen in background. I was watching the BTS. I'm sorry, my knowledge about BTS is very less. So if I say something wrong, don't attack me. But anyway, I was watching this 8 years of BTS wala thing that is going on. Mahima sent me the links and everything. So me and Mahima and her friend Gauri, we were all watching it. Yeah, I look ugly. Why did I? We were watching that, and I was like, half of the time I was like, oh my god, this guy is so cute. What is his name? I don't know his name. And then, because of Mahima and Khwabida, right now I know who Namjoon is. I know who Jungkook is. I know who I know who Jimin is. I know who Jin is. I get a little confused between Suga, like Yoongi, and if that is how they pronounce their name, Yoongi and V, and there is J-Hope. So yeah, that is my development in the BTS sector. Breakdown was sponsored by hunger. I was so hungry, but there was nothing to eat, and my mom she was suggesting food that I did not want to eat. So me being the self-sufficient that I am, so we just swiftly avoided a breakdown and we are proud of ourselves. Now we are going to eat. Oh, no update about the assignment yet, because right now Pabida sent me this GCF in Tokyo, which is Junko vlogs, I think. Sorry if I'm wrong, but yeah, so I'm going to watch that and I'm going to eat this and chill. Welcome to my guys. Hi vlog, welcome to my guys. Welcome to day 2 afternoon. Biotique's body lotion, which I'm using as a moisture. I was going to say massager, but moisturizer. I'm not even sure if you're supposed to do that. Done. 2 minutes from now on, like literally 2 minutes from now, I'm going to do this, and all of it is going to come off. I literally told you it will go away because it is 4:02, which leaves me exactly with 28 minutes for my exam. Good morning. It is day 3 of being that girl and day 2 of failing to be that girl. Anyway, so it started raining. It was raining around 4 5, and who likes to work out when it is raining? So me, Nashi, Anvesha, obviously 3 of us overslept. Nobody woke up, nobody exercised, nothing. We are going to try and make something. It is not ramen, it is not pasta, but it is going to be something.
A good ramen needs 3 things: the noodles, the broth, and the toppings.
I was not exactly into BTS. Like, obviously, I did, like, I used to listen their songs and everything. Actually, remember that he made a whole ass playlist for me with all the good, like, all these songs from BTS for me to listen. But I was not into. Yeah, also the assignment that we have today, it is a sort of film review, but it is like Othello, like the play. I mean, obviously Othello is the play, but like, and we have to watch it on YouTube and write a 1-page ka assignment.
Good morning. I woke up today. I hate it. I hate being that girl. I don't want to be that girl.
Yo, it is Friday. It is officially shampoo day, and we had a lot of eggs. So I thought, why not, put egg in my hair and then shampoo. So that is what we are going to do now. We are done putting this. We are going to keep this for an hour or so because I have online class, and then we are going to wash it and transform into a diva. I thought it has been a long time since I updated because right now I'm not doing anything. I'm just watching all the videos of BTS. I mean, I just started watching it. I watched the making of music video, Butter music video, and right now I'm watching the main music video again with more insight in my brain. All I do these days in my reels, on my Instagram, is just make reels and post reels, and I don't have a single picture of mine to post. I am aware that I look like a clown. I put my rubber bands gile balon pe because apparently it is supposed to make your hair curly and everything. So we'll just test it. Ooh! Oh my god! Do I look nice? I think I have one good photo, one. We are starting Attack on Titans. Good morning. We have reached the last day of us recording the video, and we have successfully failed being that girl. Though Anvesha has passed, Nashi has terribly failed. I am somewhere in the middle. So, last evening, we started watching Attack on Titans, and we watched episode 6 or 7 where the thing happens, right? Also, I came across Run BTS, which apparently is a series on my own without Mahima or Khwabida telling me that. So I'm also right now I'm on BTS Run episode 6, so I'm planning to watch that, and whenever Anindya is up, I'm going to watch Attack on Titans with him. For today, that is what I'm going to do. I am going to watch Attack on Titans, I'm going to watch Run BTS, and see if I can do anything about my assignment. Yeah, so that is it. Hi, so you have now reached the end of this video. I have no idea how this video turned out to be. Sometimes I feel like I'm a frog. But anyway, what I was saying is I feel like this is more of a clickbait for people who don't know me, because like being that girl, I was technically not that girl. Well, actually, to be very honest, I am still that girl, because the whole point of it was to wake up early and exercise. And though I was not able to do, but I was still able to do at least 40% of it. Like, I did exercise. All I did not do is wake up early and walk. I mean, 6 is still early for me, given that I usually wake up at 10, right? Even though I have classes at 9:30. Don't ask me how I attend that. I think you know how I attend that. Yeah, if you are still watching this, thank you so much for watching. I am very much aware that this is not what I planned with my YouTube channel. It was supposed to be having fun with friends and everything, but I understand that you understand. But yeah, if you are watching this and you haven't subscribed, please do it, because it will mean a lot to me. Because once I'm famous, you can be like, hey, I was one of the first 200 subscribers of Is This a Vlog? Oh my god. But for that, I need to be famous first, and for that, I need your likes, shares, and subscribes. So do it.